In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and repair Firefox. First, let's open Firefox. You will see the familiar Mozilla Firefox logo on your desktop or taskbar. It could be a bright orange fox on a blue globe. Click on it, and in just a moment, the browser will launch. You will notice the home page appear, filled with your bookmarks, suggested sites, and possibly news headlines. Opening Firefox is the essential first step because it allows us to access the settings and features we need for troubleshooting. Once Firefox is up and running, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, locate the menu icon, often referred to as the hamburger menu, represented by three horizontal lines. This icon is usually situated in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. You will see several options listed, including your bookmarks, history, and more. This menu is crucial because it gives you access to various settings and tools within Firefox. Once you click on the menu, you are one step closer to resolving any issues you might be experiencing. From there, navigate to the Help option in the menu. You might have to scroll down a little to find it. Clicking on Help opens up another set of options. Here, you will see Troubleshoot Mode as one of the choices. Troubleshoot Mode is a special feature in Firefox that allows you to start the browser without any extensions or custom settings. This is important because it helps to identify whether your issues are caused by these add-ons or by Firefox itself. Selecting Troubleshoot Mode will set the stage for the next steps in repairing your browser. Now click on Troubleshoot Mode. A prompt will appear giving you the option to restart Firefox in this mode. This action is critical as it helps to isolate problems. When you restart in Troubleshoot Mode, Firefox will disable all extensions and custom settings, providing a clean slate. This allows you to see if the problems persist without any added tools or changes. Once you click on the Restart button, you can be assured that this will help you diagnose the issue effectively. After that, you will be prompted to choose between two options, Open or Close. Click on Open. This choice will launch Firefox in Troubleshoot Mode. You will notice that the browser looks slightly different because it has disabled your extensions. This visual change is a good indicator that you are now operating in a mode designed to help with repairs. By choosing Open, you are taking a significant step toward identifying and fixing any underlying issues with your Firefox browser. Once that is done, take a moment to observe how Firefox is functioning in this mode. Browsing should be smoother and devoid of any issues you previously encountered. If the problems are resolved, then it likely indicates that an extension or custom setting was causing the trouble. This is essential information as it helps you know where to focus your efforts in the future. Now you're well on your way to fixing and repairing Firefox. Remember, if issues persist, you can always return to regular mode and disable or remove extensions one by one to pinpoint the problem. This process not only helps in resolving your current issue, but also empowers you with the knowledge for future troubleshooting. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with Firefox.